Welcome to a Working Against Gravity MyFitnessPal tutorial. Today we're going to use MyFitnessPal to help us track our food raw even though it is cooked. So we're going to scroll down to Meals, Recipes, and Foods. We're going to go all the way to the bottom to create a recipe. Enter our ingredients manually. We're going to title this Wag Chicken. Servings. This is going to be the weight of your chicken that is cooked. So after everything's been done and you weigh out your chicken, this is where you would enter it. I'm going to use grams, so I'm going to put in 600. If you use ounces, that is totally okay. So we're going to select enter ingredients. This is where you're going to search the brand and what type of protein or food item that you decide to cook. So today I used Foster Farms chicken. You're going to scroll down and find what brand and what cut that you used. Today I'm going to use the chicken strips. You're going to see that it is in ounces, and I'm going to be able to change that by selecting the serving size and then select 1 gram. Number of servings. This is going to be the weight of your chicken raw whenever you first started. So my chicken weighed 800 grams raw. Select the check mark. Now, if you add any olive oil, any seasonings, any barbecue sauces, this is where you're going to add it in. We're going to select add ingredient. And I used barbecue sauce. And I'm going to find the type of barbecue sauce that I use. And I see masterpieces right there. And I used 2 servings of barbecue sauce. So I'm going to enter that in there. Select the check mark up at the top. Confirm that these are my ingredients, raw. And then we're going to see that these are the macros for our chicken per gram. We're going to save it and log it. We're going to go up under meal and select dinner. If I want to have 100 grams of cooked chicken, this will be my macros. I'm going to select enter up at the top. And now we have successfully logged our chicken.